Hi friends, I am Avnish. Today I am discuss about the Constitution of India. As we know that Constitution of India play vital role for every competitive examination. The idea to have a constitution was given by M.N. Roy. The present constitution was framed by the Constituent Assembly of India set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly took place on 9th December 1946 with Dr. Sastanand Sinha as its interim president. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as its president on 11th December 1946. The assembly had 13 committees for framing the constitution. The important drafting committee, which bore the responsibility of drafting the constitutional document, was formed on 29th August 1947. Its chairman was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It was finally passed and accepted on 26 November 1949. The last session of the assembly was held on 24th January 1950, which unanimously elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the President of India.